Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This morning I'll be making some pumpkin carrot cornmeal porridge. So for this porridge we need some cornmeal, some pumpkin and some carrots. And for my spice and sweeteners I'll be using some cinnamon, some ground nutmeg, vanilla, condensed milk, coconut milk and almond milk. Now I know a lot of times Jamaican go crazy when it comes to people using either coconut milk in the tin or frozen coconut. I'm a Jamaican also. I know about my native. But here in America, when it comes to buying a coconut, it's a gamble. You either get a spoiled coconut or some jelly. And also for the almond milk, you can use the evaporated milk, which I do know from back home in Jamaica. You can use whatever you want to use, guys. Don't be afraid. Also, over here is my pot that I already went ahead and prepared. It got all the spices that I just mentioned earlier on right in this pot. I do this because I get all my spices and everything diffused so that my porridge can be tasty and lovely. So guys, this is what you want. You want your carrots and your pumpkin to well blend and you get a nice little smooth paste, guys. So guys, as you pour in your mixture, you want to stir because you don't want your porridge to be lumpy. You want your porridge to be nice and creamy and smooth. I don't like a thick cornmeal porridge. And I don't like watery cornmeal porridge either. So guys, stir as you go so you can get nice smooth paste. Also, cornmeal porridge is one of my son's favorite meal. And on top of that, I use cornmeal porridge for my son medicine. Guys, a lot of times when my son's sick, it is my go-to medicine for my son. Guys, try it. Also, when I have C-section, this was my #1 meal also. Cornmeal porridge is a builder, it's a repairer, it's a cleaner. Don't be afraid to make some cornmeal porridge at home. Make it, guys. It is really good. It is lovely. Now look at that. Now this is what you want. Nice cornmeal pumpkin carrot porridge. So delicious, guys. You all need to try this one. Now guys, this is what your porridge should be looking like at this moment. Bubbling, bubbling and bubbling. And as you can see, the consistency of my porridge, like I said, I don't like my porridge too thick. Neither I like my porridge too watery. Right in the middle, sitting right there. Nice, beautiful porridge. So here guys, I am ready with my sweetener. And I am sweetening my porridge, as you can see. My son, he's a 3-year-old, but my son want good, nice, sweet, spicy porridge. They have a thing they call baby porridge. My son do not like baby porridge. If the porridge don't have all those spices in it, him not drink it. So I want nice porridge. And you can go ahead, guys, and put a little sugar in your porridge if you don't have enough tin milk. But I love rich porridge, and I do that sometimes. And also, don't forget a little salt, guys, okay? Which I did earlier on in the prepared pot. So don't forget that. So here you go, guys. This is my finished product. Pumpkin carrot cornmeal porridge. Guys, you have to try it. Everybody love my porridge. Try it, guys. Really good. try it as medicine also. When I'm doing it for medicine, I make it more watery so that my son can just drink it down, guys. Don't forget, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a good day.